In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at the perspective tool in Affinity 3. Perspective tool lets you modify the perspective of your image. So if I want to add this image to this TV screen, I can use the perspective tool to do so. There are several options to get the perspective tool. First, beneath your move tool in the pixel environment, you have the perspective tool. You can go to pixel, choose new live filter layer, distort, and then perspective, or with your image selected, you can go to the filter icon here and then choose perspective. Now you will get a new window, and in this window you can adjust several things. Preserve alpha lets you only alter the areas that are opaque, so not the transparent areas. You have mode destination, which will move your image with your modifications, but if you choose source like this, you will be able to size and position and shape your grid without affecting the image, and you can then toggle back to destination to apply what you just did and still move around your perspective. If you're not happy, you can press delete and start again. So let's do that. Let's now take the perspective tool here, and then I will alter this. And as you can see, in the destination mode, you can also say you want to show a grid on your image, just like that. And then you can also choose the blend mode and the opacity. When you're done, you can just click away from your image like that. And as you can see, we have now adjusted the perspective. If I want to go back into the perspective again, I can just select this perspective icon. But that's how you can use the perspective tool in Affinity 3. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.